Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Venus EduTech. Today I will give you the solutions of the second type of coding and decoding workout questions, and then I will teach you the third type of coding and decoding. So let's get into the video.
Workout questions of the coding and decoding type 2. In the first question, cat is written as 312. That is, the code for C is 3, the code for A is 1, and the code for T is 2. And similarly, the code for dog, that is, the code for D is 4, O is 5, and G is 7. So from these two words we can code God, right? So the code for G, it is 7. The code for G, it is 7. Similarly, the code for O, it is 5. Code for O is 5. Similarly, the code for A, it is 1. We got it from the word cat. So A can be coded as 1. Now the code for T. T can be coded as 2. So T can be written as 2. We got it from the word cat. So God can be coded as 7512, and which is the answer. So the answer is 7512. That is, God can be coded as 7512. Now, did you get the logic of workout question number 2, mobile, how it becomes 56? So this question you should by heart, or you should know this table. This is nothing but the value of A. A, or for the first, let's say B is the second, C is the third letter, D is the fourth letter, E is the fifth letter, and so on up to Z. Z is the 26th letter. You should know at least the order of these 5 letters, 1 2 3 4 5. That is, the 5th letter is E, 10th letter is J, 15th letter is O, 20th letter is T, and 25th letter is Y, so that you can find the values or the order of the remaining letters easily. In this case, for the word mobile, the value of M, which letter is M? 13th letter is M, right? O, it is 15th letter. B is the second letter. So 13 plus 15 plus 2 plus the value of I, or which letter is I? 9th letter is I. So 9 plus the value of L, that is 12th letter is L. So 12 plus then E, it is the 5th letter. So the value of E is 5. So when you add these numbers, you will get the value as 56. Okay. So the question is, how was font written in that code? So in a similar way, how we can write font? The value of P, it is 16. 16th letter is P, and H is the 8th letter. So 16 plus 8 plus O, the value of O, it is 15. That is, 15th letter is O. So 15 plus the value of N, which letter is N? 14th letter is N. So 14 plus E, the value of E is obviously 5. So when you add these numbers, you will get the value as 58. So the answer is 58, or font can be written as 58. In the third workout question, basket is written as $5 3% hash 1. That means B is coded as 5, A is coded as $, S is coded as 3, K is coded as %, E is coded as hash, and T is coded as 1. Similarly, tried is written as 14 star hash 2. That means T is coded as 1, R is coded as 4, I is coded as star, E is coded as hash, and D is coded as 2. So in a similar way, we can code skirt from these two words, basket and tried. From the word basket, we know how to code as S is coded as 3. So skirt, in the word skirt, S can be coded as 3. Now the next letter K. From the word basket itself, we know how to code K. K is coded as %. So in the word skirt, the letter K can be coded as %. Now the coding of I. How to code I? From the word tried, we know how to code I. I is coded as star. So in the word skirt, I can be coded as star, like this. Now how to code R? From the word tried, we know how to code R. R is coded as 4. So in the word skirt also, R is coded as 4. Now for the next letter T, in the word tried, we know how to code T, 1. From the word basket also we know how to code T, 1. That is, T is coded as 1 in both the words. So obviously in the word skirt, T can be coded as 1. Like this. So this is the way to code skirt. Answer is 3% star 4 1. All these are previous year questions, and coding and decoding is the easiest section you can score from reasoning. So practice more. In the third type of coding and decoding, numbers or letters or symbols will be given to you, and following that 3 or 4 conditions will be given to you like this, and you have to answer the 5 sub questions given below based on that condition. We can go to the first question. In the first question you can see digits or symbols are given in the first row, and in the second row letter codes are given, and the conditions are: if the first unit in the group is an even digit and the last unit is a symbol, both these are to be coded as the code for the symbol. Second condition, if the first unit in the group is an odd digit and the last unit is even digit, their codes are to be interchanged. And third condition, if both the first and the last units are symbols, both these are to be coded as A. In the first question, the first one is a number 5, it is an odd number, and the last one it is a symbol, percent is a symbol. Now the conditions are: if the first unit in the group is an even digit, is it an even digit 5? No, it is an odd digit. So the first condition is not possible. Now going to the second condition, if the first unit in the group is an odd digit, yes, it is an odd digit, and the last unit is even digit. Is the last unit even digit? No, it is a symbol. So the second condition is also not possible. Now going to the third condition, if both the first and the last units are symbols, the last unit is a symbol but the first unit is not a symbol. So these 3 conditions are not possible for this question, first question. So we have to do the normal condition, that is, we can write the normal letter codes as per the digits or symbol given in that question. So the first, it is 5. Here the letter code corresponding to 5, it is O. So instead of 5, it can be written as O. Now the letter code corresponding to 3 is T. So instead of 3, we can write it as T. Now the next, it is a symbol AND. The letter code corresponding to the symbol AND is R. So in place of AND, we can write R. Now the next is a number 8. In the table, the letter code corresponding to 8 is EM. So 8 can be replaced with M. Now the last one is a symbol percent. The letter code corresponding to percent, it is D. So we can replace percent with D. So the answer is OTRMD. The next group is 84#7 star. Here the first it is an even number 8, and the second one, it is a symbol star. So the first, it is an even number, it is a digit, and the last is a symbol. So we can look through that condition. Yeah, it is the condition 1 itself, that is, if the first unit in the group is an even digit, yes, 8 is an even digit, and the last unit is star, it is obviously a symbol, then both these are to be coded as the code for the symbol. That means you have to code both these 8 and star as the code for the star, and the letter code corresponding to star is E. In the given table, the letter code corresponding to star is E. So you have to code both 8 and star as E. That is the condition saying you have to code both 8 and star as the code for the star. The letter code corresponding to star, it is E, capital E. The rest 3 will be the same. That means the letter code corresponding to 4, it is given in the table. For hash and 7 also, it is given in the table. We can write that directly. The letter code corresponding to 4, it is W. So instead of 4, we can write W. Now the letter code corresponding to hash is P, right? So we can replace hash with P. Similarly, the letter code corresponding to 7 is K, right? So instead of 7, we can write K. So the answer is EWPKE. In the next question, the group is hash 560 and here both the first and the last are symbols, right? Hash is a symbol and is a symbol. So we can look for that condition. And the condition is third one, that is if both the first and the last units are simples, both these are to be coded as capital letter A. So instead of hash and we can replace it with A. So hash and can be replaced with A. Now the rest remains the same, that is for 5, 6 and 0, the letter codes remain the same as per the table. So for 5, the letter code is O. So 5 can be replaced with O. Now the next number is 6. The letter code corresponding to 6, it is S. So instead of 6 we can write S. And for 0, from the table the letter code for 0 it is Z. So 0 can be replaced with Z. So the answer is A, O, S, Z, A. In the fourth question, the first unit is an even number and the last unit is an odd number. So we can look for that condition. No condition for that, because in the first condition, first unit is an even digit but the last unit is an odd number, not a simple. So the first condition is not possible. Now going for the second condition, first unit is an odd digit. No, ours is an even digit. The first unit is an even digit. So second condition is also not possible, and the third condition is obviously not possible because both the first and the last units are simples. So our case, both the units are numbers. So these three conditions are not possible. So do the letter codes as per the table. The letter code corresponding to it is B. So 2 can be replaced with B. Now the next is a simple at the rate. The letter code corresponding to at the rate, it is Y. So at the rate can be coded as Y. Now the next is a number 9. From the table the letter code corresponding to 9 is L. So 9 can be coded as L. Now the next is a simple person. The letter code corresponding to person is D. So person can be coded as D. The next is a number 3. The letter code corresponding to 3 is T. So we can replace 3 with T. So the answer is BYLDT. In the next question, the group is $1, 7 and 8. Here both the first unit and the last unit are numbers. The first unit is an odd number and the last unit is an even number. So what is the condition? Condition number 2, that is if the first unit in the group is an odd digit and the last unit is an even digit, their codes are to be interchanged. That is the letter code of 1 should write here, that is under 8, and the letter code for 8 should write here, that is under 1. The letter code for 1 is X. So the letter code of 1X should write here, that is under 8. Now the letter code of 8 is M from this table. So M should write under 1. That means the letter codes of 1 and 8 should be interchanged like this. Now the rest remains the same. The letter code for dollar from the table is N. So dollar can be replaced with N. Now the next unit is 7. The letter code corresponding to 7 is K. So instead of 7 we can write K. And for the simple and, the letter code is R. So and should be replaced with R. So the answer is MNKRX. Going to the second question, the digits or symbols are given in the first row and letter codes are given in the second row. And the conditions are, first one, if the first unit in the group is an odd digit and the last unit is a symbol, both these are to be coded as the code for the symbol. Second condition, if the first unit in the group is an even digit and the last unit is an odd digit, their codes are to be interchanged. And the third condition, if both the first and the last units are simples, both these are to be coded as Q. This is the first one. The first unit is an odd digit and the last unit is also an odd digit. There is no condition for that because in the first condition, first unit is an odd digit and the last unit is a symbol. But in our case, both the units are odd digits. And second condition is not possible because there it says the first group is an even digit but ours is an odd digit. Then third condition is also not possible because there both the first and the last units are symbols, but in our case both the first and the last units are numbers. So third condition is also not possible. So do the letter code corresponding to these digits or symbols as per the given table. The first unit is 3. From the table, the letter code corresponding to 3 is W. So we can write W here. The next unit, it is simple raised to. The letter code corresponding to the symbol raised to is P. So raised to can be replaced with P. Next is a number 6. The letter code corresponding to 6 from this table is S. So replace 6 with S like this. The next is a simple AND. From the table, the letter code corresponding to AND is R. So AND can be replaced with R. And the last one is 5. From the table, the letter code corresponding to 5 is L. So replace 5 with L. So the answer is WPSRL. In the next question, the first unit is a number. It is an odd number 7, and the last unit is a person, that is simple. Which is the condition? First one, right? That is, if the first unit in the group is an odd digit and the last unit is a symbol, both these are to be coded as the code for the symbol. So in this case, both 7 and person should be coded by the code for the symbol percent. From the table, the letter code corresponding to percent is N. So as per the condition, both 7 and percent should be replaced with N. That is the code for the symbol percent. The rest remains the same. The next is a simple dollar. From the table, the letter code corresponding to dollar, it is Z. So dollar should be replaced with Z. Next one is number, even number 8. The letter code corresponding to 8 is T. So T should write here. The next one is 1. The letter code corresponding to 1 is B. So 1 can be replaced with B. So the answer is NZTBN. In the next question, both the first and the last units are numbers and both are even numbers, 4 and 8, right? So what is the condition? Let's look into that. First condition is not valid. Why? Because first unit in the group is an odd digit but ours is an even digit. And in the second condition, the last unit must be an odd digit, but in our case it is an even number. And in the third condition, both the first and the last units should be symbols, but our case both are numbers. So these three conditions are not possible. So use the letter codes as per the given table. First unit is a number 4. So from the table, the letter code corresponding to 4, it is O. So 4 can be coded as O. Next unit is a simple hash. The letter code corresponding to hash is D. Next unit is a number 9. The letter code corresponding to 9 is K. So write K under 9. The next unit is a simple star. From the table, the letter code corresponding to star is Y. So write Y under star, and the letter code corresponding to 8 is T. So write T here. So the answer is ODKYT. In the next question, the first unit is an odd number and the last unit is a symbol. So we can look for that condition. So it is the condition 1 itself. That is, if the first unit in the group is an odd digit, yes, it is an odd digit, and the last unit is a symbol. Both these are to be coded as the code for the symbol. And our symbol is dollar. From this table, the letter code corresponding to dollar is Z. As per the condition, you have to code both 3 and dollar as the code of the dollar. Code for dollar, it is Z. So write Z in both the cases. Now the next one is a symbol at the rate. The letter code corresponding to at the rate is E. So write E here. Next is a number 2. The letter code corresponding to 2 is X. So write X here. And the next unit is a number 9. The letter code corresponding to 9 is K. So write K here. So the answer is ZEXKZ. In the next question, both the first and the last units are symbols. So which is the condition? It is the third condition. That is, if both the first and the last units are symbols, both these are to be coded as Q. So both raised to and star can be coded as Q. Now the next unit is a number 1. From the table, the letter code corresponding to 1 is B. So write B here. Next is a simple hash. The letter code corresponding to hash is D. Next, the number 5. The letter code corresponding to 5 is L. So write L under 5. So the answer is Q, B, D, L, Q. Going to the workout questions. First one, the letter codes and digits or symbol are given in the table. Letter codes are M, L, E, G, S, K, R, U, B, W, C, H, I, A, P, and the digits or symbol are 4 and $1, hash, 5, 7, copyright, 2, 6, %, star, 3, 9, and @ and the conditions are: first one, if the first letter is a vowel and the last letter is a consonant, both are to be coded as the code for the consonant. Second condition, if both the first and the last letters are consonants, both are to be coded as this one, @ like this. And the third condition, if the first letter is a consonant and the last letter is a vowel, the codes for first and last letters are to be interchanged. And the questions are: first one, Belgium, BELGIUM. Second one, AGUMKE. Third question, BEWSMU. Fourth one, KGAPUB. Fifth one, WHKPAC. For the second workout question, the digits or symbols are 9, 4 and 5%, 3, hash, 7, 6, @8 plus $2. And the letter codes are X, P, J, H, B, D, K, F, S, T, N, G, R and L. And the conditions are: first one, if the first element is a symbol and the last element is a number, then the codes for both are to be interchanged. Second condition, if both the first and last elements are symbols, then the last element is to be coded as the code for the first element. And third, if the group of elements contains only one symbol, then that symbol is to be coded as A. And the questions: first one, 2, 8%, 9, 5, 6. Second one, @6, 2 plus 7, 4. Third one, plus 5, 9, 6, 3%. Fourth one, 7, 2 plus 3, 9, 4. And fifth one, $3%, 2 and 5. And for the third workout question, the letter codes are MJRAD, BWZ, PEIHGUK, and digits or symbol are 8, 4, @9, copyright, 1, 2, $3, hash, 5, 6%, 7 and star. And the conditions are: first one, if both the first and the last letters are vowels, their codes are to be interchanged. Second one, if the first letter is a consonant and the last letter is a vowel, both are to be coded as the code for vowel. And the third condition, if the first letter is a vowel and the last letter is a consonant, both are to be coded as the code for consonant. And the questions are: first one, AMZGB. Second one, IBBJRE. Third one, GDWZMI. Fourth one, RPDAEK. And fifth one, EKDBAU.
I will give you the solutions of these workout questions in the next video, and also will teach you the next type of coding and decoding. If you find my channel useful, do support me by subscribing the channel and sharing it with your friends. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.